Okay, 3.6 task again, question number 5. But this one's going to get ugly because our b value is odd. Ugh, I don't want to do it. You can't make me do it. Too bad. You have to know how to do this stuff. So let's, again, complete the square. So we're going to separate off our negative 48, and we're going to complete the square. We split b, that's 13 over 2. So this becomes x plus 13 over 2 quantity squared. That tells us what our h is right there. But we're squaring it, right? So what are we adding? 13 squared is 169. 2 squared is 4. So we're adding 169 over 4. Uh-oh. That's not an integer. We need to do some analysis here. So what's 48 over 4? I don't know right offhand. 48 times 4. So that's 192. So it's 192 over 4. What do I have to do to go from positive 169 over 4 down to 192 over 4? It looks like 169 minus a negative 192. So 169 is going to be adding 192, right? So it's 361. So we're actually subtracting 361 over 4. Ugh, that's our k value. Ugh. Fractions. So our function looks like x plus 13 over 2 quantity squared minus 361 over 4 equals 0. But guess what? Quadratic function, the quadratic formula in easy mode kind of still works here. We're still going to say h plus or minus the square root of k. Let's make k positive. So h is going to be negative 13 over 2. You would find all this same stuff from vertex form if you went ahead and solved this out. Because you take 361 over 4 over here and then take the square root of it, right? And that's plus or minus the square root of 361 over 4. Good news. 361 is a perfect square. It's 19 squared. Okay? Whoops. Knocked down my eraser. So we've got negative 13 over 2 plus or minus 19 square root of 4 is 2. And if you do both of these out, negative 13 plus 19, that's 6 divided by 2, which is 3. Negative 13 minus 19, that's negative 32. Negative 32 divided by 2, but it's negative, is negative 16, exactly as we found on the other problem. This one doesn't make sense. So again, the answer is positive 3.